Hello and welcome to the release of Pokemon FireRed Slide, the ROM hack where every tile in the game has ice physics. Now, I said I wasn't going to make this after Emerald Slide, but I ended up changing my mind, and I'm really glad I did because it turned out really well. There are a couple things that have changed, though, and a couple new features that I've added. So, to begin with, I added the running shoes. So, once you get the running shoes in the game, you can slide at double the speed of your normal running. This speeds up the game a lot. If you thought the game was slow before, this will definitely help the game go faster now. As well, I gave ice typing to the 3 starters in the game to give it a little bit of more unique feel. I gave them ice moves as well, and I gave them a little makeover. So the game is a little bit more original now. You have to a little bit more with the theme. Now, on top of that, the entire plot is completable from the beginning. Not only is it completable, it's mandatory. With Emerald Slide, it was kind of more like you could do the gyms in whatever order, and the plot of the game, it didn't really matter. But with this game, you have to complete the plot. You have to do the Pokemon Mansion, the Silphco, the Rocket, Team Rocket Hideout. You have to do it all to beat the game in order. You need your HMs, everything exactly like you would in the normal game before you can go and beat the Elite Four. And I think it makes for a nice run. It's just Pokemon FireRed, but you're sliding the whole time. And the whole time. You don't get to use your bicycle on the cycling road. So the game is pretty fun. I think that you should definitely check it out. If you want to find this ROM hack, if you want to play it, make sure to join my Discord. The release will be in a channel dedicated to Pokemon FireRed Slide. It'll just be FireRed Slide release. So if you like this, make sure to go and download it. Thanks!